No. Believe boy.
Why stand on bit?
Come on, boy, TV.
This game on the honcho. Na.
It's boy, Mr. Dandy. Yeah, we are here this one. Yeah. Come on, boy, TV. Yeah, this is Groove Empire. Alright, bro. Right here where we are is Sound Aura. Sure. So we shooting this musical video today for Believe and Scammer. It's quite some days we've been planning this, and today is the D-Day, and I feel that God has blessed us with a wonderful weather. I have Daniela here with me. Say Daniela, right? This is Ella here from De La Soul. We have to import her down here to Nigeria so that she could just be part of this crew. Sure. Yeah, from now after here we're going to Zimbabwe. From Zimbabwe we'll be entering Kenya, and then that's we'll be going on tour too. So we just hope after this video shoot
now what we need pounds, money, stop nonsense, money, stop nonsense, money.